Um, ah, like, do you find these sounds, words, and phrases familiar? They are fillers, a common practice of speakers around the world. But what exactly are fillers, and why are they important in public speaking? Let's find out in this lesson from the course What Makes a Good Speech by Mount2 Speak. As the name suggests, fillers are sounds, words, and phrases that we use in speech to fill gaps or pauses, such as like, well, right, and Fillers can be used to buy time and gather your thoughts. For example, if you're giving a presentation and you're not quite sure how to transition to the next point, using a filler can give you a moment to collect your thoughts and move on smoothly. However, it's important not to overuse fillers in your speech. Using too many fillers can make your speech difficult to follow and can make you appear unsure of yourself. Here are some tips to make the most out of the benefit and avoid the drawbacks of fillers. 1. Practice using filler words in your speeches and presentations. This will help you become more comfortable using them and will make them feel more natural. 2. Use filler words sparingly. If you do use filler words, try to use them sparingly, only using them when necessary. This can help you avoid overusing them and can make them more effective when you do use them. 3. Pause for effect instead of using a filler word. A strategic pause can give you the same benefits as a filler while avoiding the negative impression of puzzlement. The good news is that Mount2 Speak can help you to detect the fillers in your speech, what they are and when exactly you use them, so that you can review them later to see if they are a strategic move or just a mistake. As always, you can start practicing public speaking now at mount2speak.com. Thank you for tuning in, and see you again in our next lesson.